Hello crafty friends, welcome again to the Crafty Seas. Today we're going to be upcycling this Lazy Susan, which we use currently in our craft room to hold our Gemini die cutting machine. And because we've been working a lot with the decoupage and napkins, we thought it would be lovely to spruce this up a little bit using this beautiful floral napkin. And this is the before, and we're just about to, we've sterilised it, gave it a right good clean. We're going to use some different grades of sandpaper to lightly sand the surface. Then we are going to gesso the surface. Once that's dried, we're going to apply our beautiful napkin, and then we're going to seal it all, and voila, we should have a sprucified Lazy Susan for our craft room. This is the before, so stay tuned and let's get crafting to see the finished product. It's a secret giveaway. We've been having fabulous fun using our napkins and decoupage papers recently. If you would like to win some for yourself, all you have to do is write the word crafty in your comment. Shh. Full details in the description box below. The prize will be some lovely decoupage papers and a large pile of super napkins. Good luck everyone. So that's our surface all beautifully painted, and now we're ready to decoupage it, and we've chosen this lovely floral circular napkin. Isn't this gorgeous? And all we have to do is separate it down to one ply and affix it to the Lazy Susan. So here goes. And now that we've separated the napkin to one ply, we're going to apply our mixture of PVA and water to the complete surface of the Lazy Susan. So that's the next stage.
And as you can see, there's still some wrinkles in our napkin, so we're going to grab some greaseproof paper and the iron and just gently iron those wrinkles out.
Now we've got our napkin affixed to the Lazy Susan. We've just got one last job to do, and that is to spray some sparkle to seal it. This is our finished Lazy Susan, and we are absolutely delighted with it. It's our first time trying decoupage on a larger project, and I'm sure you will agree this will enhance our craft room beautifully, and we are thrilled with it. But because we've started on something a bit larger, we're going to be continuing with our decoupaging. And if you've enjoyed today's project, like, subscribe and ring that bell for more crafting with the Crafty Seas. Until next time, happy crafting!